Hello, welcome to Medical Research Tools. In this new tutorial, I will show you how to correct your structures after segmentations. For example, in this case, after correcting the brain ventricles, there are a lot of extra voxels around the main structure. For correcting them, the simplest way is to use the erase tool. Erase tool is manually and you have to do it on the 2D view or the 3D view by clicking the edit in 3D view option and delete all the extra voxels manually. Okay, this method is time consuming and probably not accurate. But there is a faster way which is more accurate, the islands tool. When you choose the island tool, you can see there are multiple options. The first one is keep largest island. Most of the times this option works and you don't need to change it. It will keep the largest island and deletes all others. When I press apply, you can see that the small voxels will be deleted. About this minimum size, you don't need to change it unless the main structure is really small and you estimate that the main structure is smaller than 1000 voxels. In that case, you can minimize it to 500 or even less and press apply. It will automatically delete all the extra islands. About other options, this one, keep selected island, works only on 2D views and you have to click on the voxel that you want to keep and the system will automatically delete all others. Don't forget that use this one only on the 2D view. The other one, remove selected island, does the opposite. You have to click on the island that you want to delete. As you can see, I click on this one and it will be deleted. These options works when the number of extra islands is much less. For example, you have 2 or 3 extra islands which are big and you can click on them on the 2D view. And this option, remove a small island, does the opposite of keep largest island. And you just need to press apply. When you minimize the voxel size, for example, in this one, I minimize it to 50, for example, it will only delete the voxels that are 50 voxels or less. So it won't work in my case, and I have to uh, increase the number so it will delete all the extra voxels. But as I said, most of the times this option works in most cases, and I suggest you check it on your cases first and don't change any setting. And if based on your cases this one doesn't work, you can try other ones. Thank you for watching this tutorial too. I suggest you check the 3D Slicer Tools playlist in my channel and ask any questions in the comments, and I will see you soon.